Ready to take your aerial shots to the next level? In 2026, drones aren't just flying cameras. They're powerful creative tools packed with AI tracking, cinematic 4K/8K video, longer flight times, and insane stability. Whether you're a beginner looking for smooth, easy footage or a pro chasing Hollywood-level shots, there's a perfect drone out there for you. But with so many options flooding the market, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. That's why we've done the hard work for you. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best drones you can buy in 2026, covering performance, camera quality, battery life, and overall value. From compact, travel-friendly drones to high-end flying machines, these picks will help you capture breathtaking footage like never before. Let's dive in and find your perfect drone. Number 5. DJI Mini 5 Pro. Meet the next evolution of ultralight aerial power, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Designed for creators who refuse to compromise, this compact drone packs pro-level performance into a palm-sized frame. Expect stunning 4K cinematic footage with improved low-light clarity, making sunrise and sunset shots more vibrant than ever. Its intelligent flight modes elevate your storytelling, whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or fast-moving action with smooth precision. With upgraded obstacle sensing and enhanced stabilization, flying feels safer and more intuitive, even for beginners. The extended battery life keeps you in the air longer, so you never miss the perfect shot. Plus, its lightweight design means you can take it anywhere without hassle. From travel vloggers to content creators, the Mini 5 Pro redefines what a small drone can do, delivering big results in a tiny package. If you're ready to level up your aerial game, this is the drone that makes every flight unforgettable. Number 4. Potensic Atom 2. Step into the world of smart, affordable aerial filming with the Potensic Atom 2, a compact drone built for creators who want performance without the premium price tag. Despite its lightweight design, this drone delivers crisp 4K video with impressive stability, making it perfect for capturing travel moments, scenic landscapes, or everyday adventures. The Atom 2 shines with its user-friendly controls and intelligent flight modes, giving beginners the confidence to fly while still offering enough features to keep experienced pilots engaged. Its strong GPS positioning ensures steady hovering and precise return-to-home functionality, so you can focus on getting the perfect shot instead of worrying about control. With solid wind resistance and extended flight time, it's designed to perform reliably in real-world conditions. Whether you're upgrading from your first drone or looking for a portable backup, the Atom 2 offers excellent value and surprising capability. Small in size, but big on features, it proves you don't need to spend a fortune to capture cinematic footage from the sky. Number 3. Antigravity A1. Meet the futuristic flyer that feels straight out of science fiction, the Antigravity A1. Unlike traditional drones, the A1 is designed to be completely autonomous, acting like your personal flying camera that follows, films, and captures your best moments without needing a controller. Just launch it, and it intelligently tracks your movement, framing shots with cinematic precision. Equipped with a high-quality camera system, it delivers sharp, stabilized footage perfect for vlogs, outdoor adventures, and social media content. Its AI-powered tracking ensures you stay in focus whether you're walking, running, or exploring new places. The minimalist, pocket-sized design makes it incredibly portable, ready to fly anytime, anywhere. What truly sets the A1 apart is its simplicity. No complicated controls, no steep learning curve, just pure, effortless creativity. It's ideal for beginners and creators who want quick, professional-looking results without technical hassle. If you're looking for a smarter, more intuitive way to capture life from above, the Antigravity A1 brings the future of hands-free aerial filming right into your hands. Number 2. DJI Neo 2. Meet the smart, pocket-sized flyer built for effortless creativity, the DJI Neo 2. Designed as your personal flying camera, this ultralight drone takes off right from your palm and follows you with precision, making it perfect for vlogging, travel, and everyday moments. With upgraded AI tracking and active track, it can keep up with movement at speeds up to 26 miles per hour, ensuring smooth, cinematic shots every time. Capture stunning 4K video at up to 60 FPS or even 100 FPS for slow motion, powered by a 12MP sensor and improved stabilization for sharper, more dynamic footage. Gesture control adds a futuristic touch, letting you control the drone with simple hand movements, no remote needed. Safety is smarter too, thanks to omnidirectional obstacle sensing that helps avoid collisions and keeps your flight stress-free. With a lightweight design and around 19 minutes of flight time, it's built for quick, spontaneous anywhere. For beginners and creators alike, the Neo 2 delivers a powerful mix of simplicity, intelligence, and cinematic performance, all in one tiny drone. Number 1. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Experience the absolute peak of aerial filmmaking with the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, a powerhouse drone built for creators who demand nothing but the best. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete redefinition of what a consumer drone can achieve. At its core is a revolutionary triple camera system, led by a stunning 100MP Hasselblad sensor capable of shooting breathtaking 6K HDR video. From ultra-wide cinematic landscapes to detailed telephoto shots, every angle is covered with unmatched clarity and dynamic range. The new 360 degrees infinity gimbal unlocks fluid, gravity-defying camera movements that simply weren't possible before. Flying feels just as advanced, with up to 51 minutes of flight time and next-gen obstacle avoidance powered by LiDAR and low-light sensors. It delivers both confidence and control, even in challenging environments. Designed for professionals and serious creators, the Mavic 4 Pro combines extreme imaging power, intelligent tracking, and long-range transmission into one foldable machine. If you want cinematic results that rival Hollywood gear, this is the drone that takes your vision beyond limits.